All right, we got 8032 Park Drive in Ralston. First, starting with the exterior, we already got roof and gutters. We need all new vinyl windows throughout the whole thing and everything to be wrapped as well. Hardwoods are in pretty good shape, so should be able to salvage those. The cellar still has a bunch of stuff to get out, but we got a cool little built-in right there. Bathroom. Pretty much a full gut. As you can see, very dated. But, oh shoot, maybe we could just get away with glazing the entire tub and surround. So it looks to be in pretty solid shape. Might be able to get away with doing that. Let's see. Floor. It's new floor, new vanity, new toilet. Two beds on the main. There's no power in here right now, so it's flipping cold. We certainly need to get the main line tested right away because there was standing water in the floor drain when I was here last. Yeah, right there was standing water. But we need to get water coming in the house first, unless the standing water was from that window being broke out and it just pouring in. And then the drain being clogged, maybe. Got a bunch of electrical tape patches on the drains. So might as well replace the drains with PVC, the ones that are exposed, for sure. We got all galvanized plumbing. And with it being all exposed. Oh, sweet. We do have a breaker box, 100 amp. Nice. So all I need is a new stuff on the outside. Good deal. Yeah, because the electrician has to come out, swap out the meter box, blah, blah, blah. This ugly cab can come out. That 220 needs to be in conduit. What's up with that? Oh, that's that's the drain for the AC and the humidifier. Okay. New water heater, looks like, for sure. What BTU do we have in here now? Oh, man. We got a 80,000 input, 64,000 output BTU furnace in here now. See if I have one in the shop. Yeah, obviously we have to gut all this drywall down here. So it got wet, obviously. And then this goes... Oh, shoot. I thought it went right to the outside. I must have been thinking of another house. I could have swore this went to the outside, so... Really, all we've got is a 2-bed. Garage needs to be cleaned out, obviously. Not sure what that contraption is, unless it's some type of drum trap. Need like anchors or whatever on the exterior walls. Probably could use a new garage door and opener. Make sure the garage door's locked. It is. Dang, I could have swore there was a door there. Could always cut one in. But it's already wet in here. So, I don't know, because then that would make your egress right there. Here's your water meter. Looks like that thing's cracked, yep. And broke. Wow, that's an old meter. So I'll need to get that replaced. So yeah, that's it for down here. I was thinking about a wall down here, but now that there's no door there, we can't really make this a bedroom down there. It needs the standard, cleaning outside. Storm doors are even in okay shape. Take those ugly grills off. Needs perimeter dirt around the... Okay, video stopped because the SD card got full. Yeah, new water heater, new furnace, we went over that. Yeah, we don't have a door there, so we can't make this a bedroom down here, but all the drywall still needs to be gutted. Let's see, we've got a new garage door, anchors, blah, blah, blah. Check the main line once we get water in here. Let's see. Really need power. Oh, kitchen. Yeah, cabinets are okay. Throw some new countertops on. I need a little cabinet there. I bet you that's what that one is. So new counter, sink, backsplash. Cabinets just leave be. The floor. I'll go outside real quick. Oh, yeah, we need to do something about all this stone chipping off. Or just chip it the rest of the way off and ooh, got some rotted wood under that door. A couple of indoors wouldn't hurt either, especially for wrapping everything. Yeah, perimeter dirt everywhere. New AC, new furnace, like I said. Yeah, exterior paint, but can't get to that anytime soon, probably. So, all right, we're out.